everybody, my name is Laylan. Welcome back to Laylan's cooking videos. Today we are going to make cupcakes for a cupcake bake sale. First we must add, I picked pink cupcakes. Please get them because they will be good for the cooking video that you might want to make. Oopsies. Guys, I'm sorry for that, but I accidentally did that. So whisk it flat. This is really hot, so make sure to be careful when you add the melted butter. Be careful when you add the milk, too, because I need 4 eggs. Again. Now we must whisk it, and we need to mash up first the eggs. We need to mash up the eggs really good. I mash my eggs up like a pancake. And then I stir. Guys, you see that pink? That's the pink mixture. And you know why I picked pink? Because it's my favorite color. And on the box, it has strawberries on it. So I love it. Now that it's all whisked, now it's time to put it in here. Okay, guys, now we put this into these things. Remember, you have an Alice in Wonderland kit, and my mom got it for me. And she said, let's go do a cake bake store. And so, okay, these are done. Put those up there, and then I'll put them in the oven. Next, we need to slide this one over here and put some more. Let a grown-up help you to put these muffins for 20 minutes. Dance break! Hi everybody, we are making another batch, and it is vanilla. Mix. First, you must put on milk to mix it in. Oh, by the way, my brother is going to say to me. Come here, Miles. My brother's name is Miles. Oh God. Oh God. There you go, Mom. He's a little stealer. He steals bots from everyone. The ones that we just baked just came out of the oven. We will be putting on the icing. Ask an adult to put them in the oven. Next, we are going to do chocolate. We have 60 cupcakes that is going to be baked. can make it any different color. My mom made this as an example. I tried to do the same example. And there's more. Vanilla. This is a little faster. Still on. Oh my gosh. This one hardly has none. Now we're gonna sprinkle with these rainbow sprinkles. God, cut the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Bye.